Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video and tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show the bleed in your Canva designs. So here I have a template pulled up here, just of a flyer for a sale, maybe for retail or for a, e-commerce store or whatnot. And so what you want to do is click on the canvas itself. And then you're going to go over here to File in the upper left corner, and then you're going to go down to Settings here, which is the third option from the drop-down menu of File, and then you're going to show Print Bleed. So I'm going to click that, and now you will see that there's the print bleed that showed up. Let me zoom in here, and you'll see that there is a line here. You'll see this line going all around the canvas edges. And because this image is, expanded and blown up, you don't see a white space here. So that means it will export properly when you go to print your design. And so when you're done with your design, you can go ahead and press share. You will press download. You will select PDF print. And if you want to include the crop marks and bleed, you can select that. And for the color profile, you're going to select CMYK, and that's best for printing, and that is also a pro feature. Then you will select download. That's all for now. Bye.